Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to say that if you're saying things about yourself, start to work on them. So I meet people all of the time and they tell me that their balance is terrible. How do you know that? You not need to, but it's so easy to work on. Look, I'm working on my balance. You can do this all day long, like anywhere, at all times. You can make your own balance better just by standing on one leg. And then obviously you can make it harder by moving things around, playing around like that. It's so simple to get better at little things like that. Another one is like hand-eye coordination. My hand-eye coordination is terrible. It's just because you don't practice things like that. So learning how to juggle is a great thing to do, or just even throwing a ball at a wall and catching it again. It makes such a difference, and these are things that are going to affect you like in years to come and stuff like that. So they're little things you can work on now and just get better at, and it will make you stronger as well, which is always a nice bonus. So if you're big, jacked and muscly and want to lift heavy weights, make your balance better. It will help. Okay guys?